We're here at Wagner's Farmland Experience, filming another month for our calendar.
We're taking a picture with a vintage John Deere tractor, and we wanted to show you the tractor. It's not very often you see one of these. So Ashley's gonna get on and drive. So this is Model A from year what?
1812.
I don't think tractors started in 1812.
Hey dude, he thinks my tractor's sexy.
So sick. Help me get on.
Get on, cowgirl.
I think it actually still works. I don't. Did you turn a key on the old tractors?
I don't even see where you put in a key. So
We are farmers' daughters.
we're farmers' daughters. The daughters, not the farmers.
Yeah. So this fall, come visit Wagner Farmland Experience. You can see for yourself. And by our calendar, you'll see photos of the actual tractor with the farmers' daughters.
That's right. Farmersdaughters.tv. Get yours today. Thanks.